This is the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS in green. Purpose-built, no apologies. Not made for trends, made for the limit. A naturally aspirated 4-liter that doesn't whisper, it commands. Race-bred chassis, aero carved by airflow, not ego. Every gram reduced, every surface intentional, every mile a declaration. This isn't transportation, it's identity in motion. So ask yourself, when the road opens, do you choose control or compromise? Do you want to be noticed or felt? Years from now, will you remember another safe decision or the moment you chose something unforgettable?